night, everyone. I want explain listening part B, long conversation skill, topic identification, quiz and text.
Conversation 2. Questions 6 through 10. Listen to a conversation between two friends.
Hi, Jack. It's good to see you again. Are you ready to get down to business again after spring break?
Not really, but I guess I don't really have too much choice, do I? And it's going to be particularly hard to get back to work since I just had the most fantastic vacation ever.
Really? What did you do?
I went kayaking on the Klamath River.
Kayaking.
Yes, you know what a kayak is, don't you? It's a long, narrow boat, the kind first used by the Eskimos. It's quite popular now on whitewater rivers.
Oh, I know what a kayak is. I was just surprised that you would take a trip like that. Weren't you scared?
At first I was, but after I learned some techniques for maneuvering the kayak, it wasn't so bad.
I was just surprised that you would take a trip like that. Weren't you scared?
At first I was, but after I learned some techniques for maneuvering the kayak, it wasn't so bad. But we didn't start out on the river. We had 3 whole days of instruction in a shallow pool first. Then, when we finally got out on the river, I felt ready for it.
Did you spend the nights camping outside on the ground? That alone would make the trip unappealing to me.
Oh no, the accommodations were fantastic. Each person on the trip had a private cabin, and the facilities included a hot tub, a lodge where you could have a drink and relax, and a top-notch cafeteria with great food.
Now that part of the trip does sound good to me. But I don't think I'd like the part that involves riding through rough water in a small kayak.
Oh, you should try it. I know you'd like it. I'm going to do it again myself as soon as I can afford to spend the time and the money.
Well, better you than me.
Number 6. When does the conversation probably take place?
Jawabannya number 6, D, just after a break from school. Karena percakapan ini terjadi tepat setelah liburan semester, spring break. Kunci katanya adalah spring break.
Number 7. What are the man and woman discussing?
Jawabannya yaitu C, a trip the man has already taken. Karena topik utama percakapan adalah pengalaman pria tersebut saat melakukan perjalanan yang baru saja ia selesaikan.
Number 8. How much instruction did the man have before going out on the river?
Number 8, jawabannya A, yaitu 3 hours. Pertanyaan ini biasanya menyatakan durasi atau instruksi atau pelatihan sebelum mereka turun ke sungai. Menyebutkan bahwa pria itu menyebutkan bahwa mereka mengikuti pelatihan selama 3 hours terlebih dahulu.
Number 9. Which of the following is not part of the kayaking trip?
Jawaban number 9, the answer A, sleeping outside on the ground. Alasannya yaitu karena wanita tersebut menyatakan bahwa tidur di atas tanah atau berkemah. Hal itu membuat tidak tertarik pada perjalanan tersebut sebelum ia tahu mereka menginap di penginapan atau lounge.
Number 10. How does the woman feel about taking a kayaking trip?
Number 10, jawabannya C, B, scared but he'd like to try. Alasannya itu setelah mendengarkan bahwa akomodasinya mewah, ada penginapan dan kolam air panas. wanita itu tersebut merubah pikiran menjadi merasa tertarik untuk mencobanya. Thank you for watching.